Alright, this is Orion. He's unboxing our new boat.
Without scissors.
Yeah, okay, take it one out, one by one out. There's a paddle.
And yeah, just a couple paddles.
Okay, Saxon, take it out.
Did you take one out?
What is that?
Kevlar vest out.
It's a bag, right?
The bag, yeah.
Okay, leave it fold.
Oh.
Alright.
The big one.
The big one, take it out.
Oh wait, let me just go for the smaller thing.
That's for sitting.
Yeah, right, a sitting tray.
Is it aluminum? Okay. Alright, Saxon, take it off.
The big one. Oh wait, there's one more thing.
That's
a bunch of gear.
Patching gear?
Yeah, it's like that. Alright, let's get the shovel, Saxon.
Saxon.
3, 2, 1. Oh, there's something still in there.
Okay, lay it on the ground.
Just don't drag it.
Yeah, lay it on the ground flat.
Nice boat.
Flat.
Why don't I just break the
We need the... Okay. Orion, can you put down the pump and just open it up, please? Yep.
Ah.
Yep. Okay, it's already, you know. Oh, they already pre-insert the wood. Okay, now where's the...
That's aluminum.
Okay,
Aluminum.
all right. Can you open it up and then open up the pump? No dragging, please.
Oh, Ryan, are you up for tongue in a row?
I'm trying to unfold it.
That's right. Put tongue in a row.
Where is the opening? I think it's on the side.
Ryan, come
It's
on.
inside. It's inside.
Think smart, not hard.
Okay, find it.
Okay, there it is.
Okay, there's the pump.
Plug me in, baby.
Okay.
Oh, pretty good.
It's in.
Is it
Where does
in?
it go?
Yeah, it's in.
Oh. Just gotta...
Put it into the... Which one is that? Oh, well, wait. There's an insert. There's an out. In?
Yeah, there's an in thing. Now jump on it.
This was the one that sounds so awkward.
No, that's a different hole.
The air goes in and then it comes out.
What do you mean different hole? Out?
One is sucking out air.
Yeah, the air
That's
comes
sucking in air.
Low.
Blow out air. Is in out or is out in?
Alright, so this thing is a spring load, so you have to kind of like make sure that it's pop out. Otherwise, you know, it won't actually hold the air inside. It will just leak out if you just keep pressing this like this. Look at this right here.
Back cameraman.
Yeah, this it means, you know, all the air is gonna leak out. Every time I turn it, the spring load out, and then the valve will be shut.
Okay.
All right, try it.
What's that for?
That's for the motor.
No, there's a little hole in the back.
That's for draining.
Oh.
This is for draining. Don't put it there at first.
Yeah.
Just do the
video.
Luigio.
Luigio.
What's this?
That's for patching gear.
Put it back.
It's not big. Yeah, you can say, yeah, it's not big. One person and a kid. Look at this, you know.
Yeah.
Yo, we're reaching top speeds.
Made a voyage.
No, it's supposed to be driving.
Oh, because you're driving, Dad.
Daddy's driving.
Okay, I'm driving. I'm driving back.
Sailing off into the sunset.
Oh, yo.